Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic 3D Max tutorial how to import image. To import image into 3D Max, we can use plane objects. You can click this icon, plane, and I will draw in this viewport. You can click here to maximize. And now tap M buttons to open slide material editor. Right click in here, materials and generals. We use for physical material, and then to insert image you can click in base color at this button. Search for your image by clicking at this option with map lookup, and for example I will use this image. Click open. Now to attach this material into this object, you can select the object and then click these icons to assign material to selection, so it will be automatically import image into your 3D Max. Okay, that's it. So to import image in 3D Max, and if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.